In this video, you'll learn how to create a WooCommerce group product in WordPress. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to set up your product efficiently and effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites on the main dashboard. This is typically found in the left sidebar menu. Click on Sites to proceed. After selecting Sites, you will be directed to a page displaying your current sites. Here, locate and click the button labeled Create with AI. This option is usually prominent, and clicking it will initiate the site building process. Next, a message will appear stating Laying the Foundations. This indicates that the system is preparing to create your new site. At this point, you may need to wait a few moments as the AI works to set everything up. Once the foundations are laid, the system will prompt you with a message about making a website as unique as you. This is your cue to begin configuring your site. Type in Create a WooCommerce group product in the provided input field. After entering the text, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will send your input to the system, and you should see a response indicating that WordPress.com can create a WooCommerce grouped product for you. Continue by typing in the phrase Choose the choice given above in the next input area. This step is crucial as it directs the AI to proceed with the setup based on your previous command. Once you've entered the text, again press Enter to confirm your selection. The system will respond with a message confirming that your input has been acknowledged. You will then see a prompt asking what your website should be called, specifically the site title that will appear in the browser tab. Type in your desired site name into the designated input field. After entering your site name, press Enter once more. This confirms the title for your website and allows you to move forward in the setup process. Next, you will be asked to provide a short tagline or description that will appear in search results and social previews. Type in a brief tagline that summarizes what your site. Press Enter after typing your tagline to finalize this step. The system will process your input and prepare for the next phase of setup. You will now click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action will initiate the site creation process, and you may notice a loading indicator as the system works. After clicking, a message saying, Please wait, your site is brewing will appear. This indicates that the system is currently generating your site, and you will need to wait for it to complete. As the site is brewing, you may see a progress bar or similar indicator. It is important to remain patient as this process can take some time depending on server load and your internet connection speed. Eventually, you will see a message stating that the site is ready. If the process takes longer than expected, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that there are no interruptions. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the setup for a WooCommerce grouped product in WordPress. This new product type allows you to group related products together, enhancing the shopping experience for your customers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.